Good afternoon, Bastien from BVN Real Estate here, North San Juan Del Sur, viewing Nicaraguan Bay. So we are in a place called El Canto del Sur, which is the phase 1 of the development. It has access to TreeCasa resort. So we are in 2 bedrooms plus a dependence of 4 bedrooms. So 3 bedroom property with 3 bathrooms in a large 3rd acre lot. It has like a swimming pool, of course. It has like an outside living room. We are about 6 minutes from town and probably like 3 minutes from the beach of Nicaraguan. So it has a private access, but it's worth it to go there. If not, we are not far from Playa Marsella, will be like 10-12 minute drive, and Maderas could it be like 15-minute drive. So first nice area with the dining table. Here you have like a good location to keep shade, you are under trees, and we have still like a large view over the bay. Probably it's hard to see with the color, but we have a deep view of the ocean. We are about 600 meters, 700 meters to the beach. So bottom here, we go down to the stair, and I show you quickly, which is the outside living room. So small pool, efficient, not deep, but at least it's easy to maintain and cheaper on chemics. So here you have on concrete a large sofas area. You can sleep there, lay there, hammocks, receive your friends, you see. And to dedicate a small area, if not maintained, they wish to sell, but normally here to install veggie, a potager. A lime tree here, few coconuts, there is a mango trees here. You have a neem tree on the side. And what else, what do we have next? I wish to have a mammon trees, but no, I don't see mammon. So let's go inside the house. So it's not a high, but it's a quite high ceiling. Very fresh here, bit dark. I guess it's the wish of the seller. And you have like a sailing roof on cans. I like the style. Okay, so we have a sofa area with chairs and TV, large like dark window screen to have like less sun to come. I think it's the way to protect the house from the heat. Small table here, a large kitchen bar with fridge, stove, oven, grey ceramic, coffee pot, etc. So it's hot water here, of course. So let's go here. We have the master room, as is AC, of course. You have ACs in the 2 bedrooms, the 3 bedrooms. Large furnitures, wood cabinet and TV. And on the side here, a bathroom with washing machine inside. Sorry, I went fast on the bathroom. In the middle here, you have like the guest toilet. It has just water area. And we go to the 2nd bedroom, as AC, also cabinets, owners play golf, you see. And I arrive again here on the living room salon with sofa, TV area. Okay, I will go on the side here and we go to see the studio apartment. Okay, small studio. It's like more bedrooms, but could install. He has like a freezer or a fridge, so he could install here a small kitchenette and rent it as a small studio. Would be very clever with a bathroom, simple but clean, fresh also. He has a drywall ceiling, ceiling fans. He has no AC, so probably missing one AC and then ready to rent. So he has his own access. You see, they build two floors, 2 stairs, one here and one other here. Very important things, you have the barbecue. Okay, here in Nicaragua, when you have a house, it's one of the main things to get. Okay, so we get it back in. Last view of the house. I like the ceiling, the roof with wood. And we come back outside to check again the pool and the ocean view. Okay. Get this guy and come back on the view. Here we are. Okay.